Hello Fierce Loves of Welcome Sawadika. Mabuhay, and you are all back from Fierce Eye. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Elizabeth and I make videos every Tuesdays that's all about Jewelries and Pandora, Beauty and Fashion Fridays, and then for Sundays I have special videos which deals about anything and everything under the sun. Could be perfumes, gadgets, vlogs, everything. Yes, so for this particular video I'm so excited to share with you. Oh my gosh, my first ever Pat McGrath Labs 10-pan palette. And this is the Pat McGrath Labs MTHRSHP VII Divine Rose. The original Divine Rose, because there's two now. No, that just recently came out was the second one, and this is the first one. And I'm just really happy to finally get the chance to grab it, and thanks to Martina, thank you. I made this eye look, and I will show a tutorial of this eye look and how I made it after I show you the swatches. I know you like swatches. I am going to need to open this palette, but I have already removed it. It's this right here. So it's a very nice and special artwork. Just so stunning. This lovely girl right here. Oh my gosh, I need a poster of this one for the top of my bed. So that's so pretty. Inside it are the shades. I wish they're engraved inside the palette, but I don't mind. At the back are the ingredients, and yes. So you can buy this if you are from Europe. We could have it from Pat McGrath Labs or what's the other one? So Fridges. I never buy there yet, so I bought this one. Yeah. So this is the palette. Those four are special shades, and these are for me they're special too. Top and bottom, then back to top again, then bottom. Okay, let's try. First shade will be Skin Show Nude. Okay, so Skin Show Nude will be this one right here. Skin Show Nude. It's right there. The next one right underneath it is Extreme Mahogany, which is this one right here. Like so. And then the next one, second on the top, is Valoria, which I used for my eye look today. Right here. Ooh, nice. Ooh, I find an armrest here. So the next shade will be Lovelace, and that is right here. So this is Lovelace. Wow, that is really pretty. And then the next shade would be Sable Bronze. So Sable Bronze is right here. Oh, that's a very nice bronze shade. And then right underneath Sable Bronze is Rose Dusk, which I also used on our eye look today, and that's this one. Like so. I would be needing another one. Now let's move on to Refined Gold 002, which is this shade, fourth on the top. That's this. Refined Gold 002. Like so. And then just underneath it is VR Rose of Venus, and that's this shade, duochrome. Oof, I love it. I think this is my favorite shade on this palette. Duochrome Venus is this one right here. So stunning. The next shade will be Iridescent Pink 003, and that is this one. It's iridescent pink shade here. It looks white on the screen, and I saw that on all of the videos that I have watched also. But since it's iridescent, it's when you swatch it, you will really appreciate the beauty of this shade here. And it's this one. And it's really an iridescent pink right there. And I use this for my inner corners today. Last, but definitely not the least, is the only glittery shade in here, which is called the Astral Solstice. And that's this one right here that looks like a champagne. Very pretty glitter. I also used a bit of this on my eye look for today. And it's like this. Oh my gosh, that's really stunning. I love, love, love all of these shades on this palette. So that's all, and that's all of the swatches for the Pat McGrath Divine Rose palette. Part of the video wherein I am going to share with you my first impressions of my new Pat McGrath Labs, or my only one at the moment, Pat McGrath Labs MTHRSHP VII Divine Rose eyeshadow palette. So this is the 7th Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette that is this size, and also it's the first for the Divine Rose. There's two now. There's just a new one that came out, and this one I got with the help of a very nice girl here in Sweden. Her name is Martina. So Martina, if you are going to be watching this video, I hope that you you like this one, because yeah, I'm really happy that I finally have it. And I wanted to have the limited edition in pink also, but I know that it may not come back. We are going to try them on for the very first time. It's so heavy. It's super luxurious. We have the Pat McGrath logo in here at the back. Oh my god, who has a back like that in gold? So nice. What do we have in here? Use without caution. It says it's made in Italy. Okay, Pat McGrath, Great Britain. And this is how it looks. So this is the most wearable palette for Pat McGrath. I have not removed the plastic on the nice mirror also. It's a very nice mirror. It's not a cheap one. And these are all the lovely shades. Poof! And so I tried it off camera so I can easily share with you what I would love to create. And oh my gosh, seriously, I love the formulation, and now I understand the hype over Pat McGrath Labs makeup, especially their eyeshadows. So I'm going to recreate this look right here, and this is just how I normally do my makeup. And then I'm going to go to the Velouria shade from the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Rose palette, and then just slightly apply it onto the outer V and blend it really well, slightly dragging it up to the outer thirds of my crease, and also a little bit on the outer thirds of the lid. But blending it really well so it looks like it's gonna be like a smoked look. And then this time I am going to dip in the next shade, which is a little more darker, and that's the Rose Dusk. So this Rose Dusk is what I am going to use to have a deeper crease effect. So I'm just gonna pat it right here and then blend slightly also. Also gonna bring it down to the outer thirds of the eye. And then I want it more deeper. So I am going to grab the darker brown shade here, which is the Extreme Mahogany. So for the Extreme Mahogany, just gonna grab a little bit and onto the outer part of my crease. Ooh, now that gets darker than the other side, so I have to blend that well. Oy, oy, oy. More blending. And then I am going to dip in again to the first shade that I used, the Velouria, because I wanted to go back and lighten that part. But I need to, I think that my brush is a little dirty, so I'm going to need to back up. So I'm going to try like a non-used brush. Same one, a tapered one, so I can smoke the Velouria. Just like how I did on the other side. So on one side, I'm going to pat onto the VR Rose Venus, which is a special shade. And for me, it's a little bit like golden orange. So I'm just gonna pat that here on the middle part of my lid. Like so. And then I am going to pat right above it, which is the shade Refine Gold. So I'm just gonna use the other end of the brush that's still clean. I'm going to put that just before the waterline, but not up to the end because I wanted to use a different shade there. It's like creating an ombre look. I think I have to put on a little bit more over here. And then back to the gold one. I'm going to use the shade Astral Solstice, which is a glittery shade, and that's gonna be just a little bit on the tip there, like so. Have to be very careful with the glitter so it does not go to the eyes. But yeah, it's so stunning. And then for the inner corner, I love to use the pink shade here, which is the Iridescent Pink. I could use a pencil brush for this one, but I just wanted to show you that you could use this brush for so many ways. So that's that. And then for the lash line, I can just grab the same brush that I used earlier for the velour, and going to put that on the outer part of the lash line. On the middle part of the lash line, I am going to dip in to the VR Rose Venus using the same brush I've been using, the eye shading. And just gonna go back to the part where I used it. And a little bit right there. And then of course I'm going to put on the almost on the inner corner. This time I'm going to have the Refine Gold 002 using the same side of the brush that I used earlier. And that's what I'm going to put here. And there. So that's the eye look. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put eyeliner, lashes, and then we're good. So for my final verdict for the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 7 Divine Rose, or the Divine Rose 1, I love it. I love it. I understand why the other people who are beauty bloggers that reviewed this one said that it's the one that's easy to use, something that you could use every day, something for the beginners, something that you could reach out for every now and then. It is true because most of the shades there are very wearable. I really like the look that I've made, and I wanted to recreate this like every single day. I want this to be my makeup forever. Yeah, and I love the packaging. It's just a very beautiful work of art. That is so lovely. And then inside, I really like that the shades are here. Overall, the packaging is really awesome. It's heavy. I can do that. It's heavier than how it looks right now when you see it. And lovely logo right here. Black in the front, but gold at the back. That's just like so luxurious. You just have to be careful about some shades because be careful also with which brush you're gonna use because there could be some fallout. So use your hand also on packing the much more foily and the glittery products. Yeah, and then the matte ones, of course, you could use the brush that you prefer. If you wanted to try Pat McGrath for the very first time and you are not a makeup artist, you just are a makeup lover, I highly recommend this one. It's a very good first Pat McGrath, or if you could only choose one Pat McGrath palette and you are not a makeup artist and you're not crazy about other colors or bright colors or whatnot, then this is perfect for you. If you just want those like perfect everyday ones, a little bit of that nice transition shades, special shades, they have it here too. So yes, of course, I cannot say that it's the best Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette because it's my only one at the moment and I cannot compare. But I could tell you that I really love this one compared to all of my other eyeshadows, Tom Ford, Urban Decay, Naked, and all of the other ones. I think this is worth the price. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. I hope that you like it as much as I enjoyed filming this eye look and the rest of the makeup that I did. So this video, or like this full look, is going to be on different videos. So it's this one. It's also going to be on a video of like my Dolce & Gabbana haul and try on from Harrods, and a full face of first impressions video, and then a video of my review with the Luxie brushes. So yes, all of the links of those videos will be on my description bar. See you on my next video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on my next one. And remember to stay fierce and fly high.